Okay guys, welcome back to the new video. Today, oh wait. Oh, frick. The gas is off, so I'm just trying to trying to run a little bit of the gas out because I'm supposed to get my bike back running. I just have to let you guys hear it a little bit, you know. I'm in the garage right now and it's not open. Here, look guys, give me a second. I'm gonna go through my house real fast. Let's go. Look outside. It snowed. Close up on the bike, and it snowed, but I think it's gonna be clear enough for me to ride it today. I'm hoping, because I'm supposed to get back today. So yeah, go back to the dirt bike. I'll rev it up a tiny bit. It's really loud. And first, you guys watch on the video, it's like, oh, it ain't that loud. And then you come see it in real life, and you're like, oh my God, that's loud. Ooh, it's stinky out here. Frick, the choke keeps popping in. Watch. Okay guys, that's enough, but you guys are probably like, why do I want it to run out of gas? I don't know if you guys can tell, but the tank is still like half full, if not more. It's pretty much a full tank. I was trying to run the carb out of gas and stuff. You know, because I turn the gas off, then keep gas in there for when I run it. But it takes straight, so I don't have to worry about having to mix more gas or something, you know. That's all good. Okay guys, well, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace! And turn on notifications.